Hey everyone, welcome back on my channel. I'm here with a new explanation and today's video is based on the explanation and summary related to English grade 7 Honeycomb book chapter Fire, Friend and Foe. Basically this lesson is an informative one. It is difficult to imagine our lives without fire. Fire is one of the most important discoveries in human history. It needs to be checked because it can create havoc if it goes out of control. If the fire breaks out, it can be controlled by water, sand, etc. Various firefighting instruments also help in putting out fires. If the fire goes out of control, it can burn the forest, lives and property. Let's begin the summary. Early man must have found fire to be dangerous and frightening. Fire must have been a mystery for an early man, but it is known today that it is a result of chemical reaction actually. When oxygen present in the air combines with the carbon and hydrogen present in a fuel, energy is released in the form of heat and light. And this is what fire is. To make fire fuel, heat and oxygen is needed. Wood, coal, gas are fuel. Oxygen is available in the air. But to cause fire, heat is essential. A piece of paper doesn't catch fire until that is supplied to it. Every fuel burns at a particular temperature, which is also called flash point or kindling temperature. Fire, a friend and a dangerous enemy. Fire is a boon if it is kept under control, but can be dangerous if it goes out of it. It is used in our house daily for cooking, burning candles and so on. But if it goes out of control, it can cause damage to life, houses and even forests. Fire can be controlled by taking away any three of the things required for burning it. It can be stopped immediately by taking away the fuel. It can also be controlled by cutting the oxygen supply. For this, many a times blankets are thrown over burning objects. Another way is to reduce the flash temperature. This can be done by spraying water which lower down the temperature. Water cannot be used to put out on electrical fires or an oil fire. Carbon dioxide extinguisher is the best way to control electrical fire. Earlier people used to form human chains and pass buckets of water from the ponds or wells to the blaze. These days there are trained personnel to handle this. The trained team of firefighters is called fire brigade. They are skilled people to handle all kinds of fire. They have the knowledge of first aid as well as are able to provide immediate help to people suffering from burn injuries or from the effect of smoke. Discovery of fire has been a great boon to mankind. Fire is worshipped as God in many cultures around the globe. It is a dear friend if can be used properly, but can turn dangerous if it goes out of control. I hope learners, this explanation and summary will be helpful for you. You can check my other videos related to grade 7 and 8 English literature and grammar. The links are flashing on your screens. You can check all that. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.